Hello, our do will be explain about FTIR instrument. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR) is a technique used to obtain infrared spectrum of absorption or emission of solid, liquid or gas. Let's get started right away with probably the most important question: what is infrared spectroscopy? Basically, infrared spectroscopy study the interaction between infrared radiation and matter. Well, infrared is a particular part of electromagnetic spectrum that has a longer wavelength than visible light. So, what is the basic principle of FTIR? First, we need infrared light from a fitting source. The light is then directed at the sample. Some light is going to be reflected, but a larger fraction will travel through the sample and specific part of it are going to be absorbed by the sample material. Then, how FTIR instrument works? During the measurement, the IR beams enter the interferometer and is directed at the beam splitter. This split the beam into separate beams. They are directed at fixed and moving mirror, respectively. Then, the light travels back to the beam splitter, where it is recombined, causing interference, and is then directed at the sample material. Lastly, each wavelength examined individually.
So today we're gonna learn about how to run sample in FTIR.
We use liquid for the first sample. Prepare the apparatus and materials. Make sure the OPUS software opened by laboratory assistant. Click the scan button and name the sample description. Then click background single channel. And then wait until the scanning stops. Wipe the mounting plate by using ethanol. Put a drop of liquid sample and make sure it covers up the diamond part. Click the scan button and click the sample single channel, and also wait until the scanning stops. When the result appears, click this icon to convert from ATR to transmittance. Then click the button to set up peak and right click to set up every single peak on spectrum. Lastly, click the button to print. After done all, wipe the sample by using tissue and then clear it by using ethanol. We use the solid sample. Click the scan button and name the sample description. Click background single channel and wait until the scanning stops. Wipe the mounting plate by using ethanol. Put a small amount of solid sample and make sure it covers up the diamond part. Then rotate the knob to the sample and screw it down until the surface of the knob truly press the solid sample. Click the sample single channel. Wait until the scanning stops. When the result appears, click this icon to convert from ATR to transmittance. Click the button to set up peak and right click to set up every single peak. Lastly, click the button to print. After done all, wipe the sample by using tissue and then clear it by using ethanol.
Next, I will explain how to read an infrared spectroscopy spectra. The peaks in the FTIR spectra of unknown liquid sample that we observe. Firstly, the type of Fresnel group that we observe were probably of OH stretching at wave number 3361. Then, CH stretching was identified at wave number 2856 and 2925. And lastly, C double bond O stretching and C single bond O stretching were identified at wave number 1637 and 1087. For the next spectra of unknown solid sample. Firstly, the Fresnel group that could be identified at wave number 3334 was NH stretching. Meanwhile, CH stretching was identified at wave number 2891. And lastly, C double bond O and C single bond O stretching were determined at wave number 1635 and 1026.